Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to adjust the time for your Paybox device. The first thing you want to do is set your currency type, and for this instance we're going to use American Quarter. The first method you can use is to use the drop-down device simulator that you will also find in the Paybox Android or iOS app or on the web client. So for 60 minutes we see that it will cost $1.50. For 70 minutes we see that it costs $1.75. Now if we want to add a convenience fee, we click Add Convenience Fee. We save our device. We select a new time, and now the convenience fee will be added to each entry. Now, one of the more trickier things for us to do is to figure out how many quarters we need to put in for large amounts of time, requiring larger amounts of cash. And for that we use our price calculator. And here all we do is we put in the dollar amount, we adjust the time, and this right here is how we know what to set it at. So for a machine that will cost $5 to run for 30 minutes, we want to set it for 1 quarter for each 2 minutes.